Meet the Govee Light Bar, the ultimate way to level up your gaming setup or home theater. Inside the box, you get two LED light bars, a control unit, power adapter, and mounting accessories. With a sleek, minimal design, these bars can stand vertically, lay horizontally, or mount behind your monitor or TV. The Govee Light Bar features vibrant RGBIC lighting, meaning multiple colors can show at once for stunning effects. It's fully controllable through the Govee Home app, voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, and has music sync mode that reacts to your audio in real time. Whether you're deep in a gaming session or watching your favorite movie, the Govee Light Bar transforms your space with immersive ambient lighting. Pros? Stunning multicolor effects, smart control, and versatile setup. Cons? No built-in camera for screen sync unless you go for the Flow Pro version. If you want to take your setup to the next level, the Govee Light Bar is a smart and stylish upgrade. Check the link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.